One, we are group number 4. Thank you for being here. Today we are excited to introduce our capstone project, Poverse, a pet-centered social platform. There's 6 points in today's presentation. First, a quick problem statement in a world where networks connect everything. Social media has made it easy for people to share moments and build communities. But most mainstream platforms are fundamentally human-centric. Pets appear as accessories to the user, not as first-class citizens. As pet ownership rises, and pet-related activities and industries keep growing, we see a gap. There isn't a dedicated end-to-end place built around the daily life, health, and care of our pets themselves. That is the space Poverse aims to fill. What is Poverse? It is a web platform designed for pets and with pet owners in mind. It lets owners share everyday fun moments with their companions, and it adds tools to record feeding habits, exercise routines, and medical visitors, all in one integrated experience. In short, Poverse blends social sharing with lightweight pet health engineering. How we build it: environments and tools, SAMPP, Apache plus MySQL plus PHP. PHP my adding for database management, and Visual Studio Code for development. Our stack is intentionally approachable and maintainable. Fronted HTML for structure, CSS for layout and consistent styling, JavaScript for interactivity and dynamic behaviors. Backend PHP powers our APIs and server login. Connection the UI to the database. Database SQL on MySQL for relational data. Users pass post records. We organize the site into modular patch where to PHP in endpoints by fetch, which keeps code readable and future-proof while making it easy to interact on specific folders like search or pet records. Under the hood, our ER diagram and search modes define clean relationship. Users own paths. Paths have many records. Users create posts. Posts link to images and accept like and comments. This model let us enforce data integrated while scoring features more confidently. But we will demo. In the live run source, we will register and log in, then land down the feed. Create a post with multiple images and show the cursor likes and comments. Switch between paths by pet cards and open each records page: diet, exercise, medical. You search to find another user and show how their public profile differs from our private view. Open Maps to quickly locate pet-related spots. Personal page. Your personal page shows your avatar, pet information, your posts, and buttons to open pet records. When visit someone else's page, you'll see their public information and posts without access to their private records. Pet records: 3 simple trackers: diet, exercise, outings, and medical and vaccinations, so you can log meals, work durations, check-ups, status notes, and shots. Each pet has its own record space. Visiting to toggle privacy, manage blacklist, and submit an issue report. Lesson learned and current eliminations. Powers reference the social experience around pets, not as a side note, but as the core entity by pairing familiar social tools with simple health steering. We support both the joy of sharing and the responsibility of care. The combination is what we think today's pet loving world needs. Like any first release prototype, we faced real engineering trade-offs. Session management across pages because we organize features into multiple pages and sometimes use iframes. Keeping a robust, consistent login state across fields needs further handling. Security. Most endpoints use prepared statements and input checks, but we want to complete parameter binding everywhere. Stress file upload, validation, refined permission checks, and improved error handling for reliability. User experience consistency and responsiveness. A few user interface elements, buttons, models, and some fonts still need polish for consistent look and feel and smoother mobile behavior. What is next? Our roadmap focuses on full access, architecture upgrade, migrate from multi-page to a single page application front end, add a more formal authorization flow, and introduce an API gateway there so the backend can scale and evolve independently. Data and intelligence service build personalized recommendations and better community governance tools. Multi-device experience. Deliver mobile apps, deepen our integration, and ensure accessibility so more people can use Perverse comfortably. Engineering and operations. Level out security and development operations, automation for testing and deployment, and invest in analytics so we can measure what helps pet owner the most and interact quickly. Thank you for listening. We are group number 4 and this is Pulvers.